Chip model method for adding positive and negative numbers. Today we're going to look at integers. First, you want to break your expression into terms. Why? Because this makes it addition, and we always like addition better than subtraction. You're going to represent your first term using chips. You can also just draw plus or minus, depending on if it's positive or negatives. Then you're going to represent your second term using chips. Finally, you're going to cross out your zero pairs and count what's left. Consider the problem 13 plus negative 5. Our first step is to break it into terms. That means I have 13 plus negative 5. Well, this looks kind of funny. When we have plus a negative, it's just a negative term. So I have positive 13 and I have negative 5. Our next step is we want to represent them with chips. You can see here I have 13 positive chips and 5 negative chips. Again, I like to kind of make them as much of a mirror as possible because then we need to cross out our zero pairs and count what's left. I have 5 positive and 5 negatives. There's a zero pair. What do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 positive. 13 plus negative 5 equals positive 8. Consider the problem negative 5 plus negative 6. First step, break it up into terms. Next, represent your first term using chips, and then your second term using chips. Remember, plus negative 6 is the same as looking at the term negative 6. So we have two terms, negative 5 and negative 6. Next, cross out your zero pairs. As you can see, we have no zero pairs. Nothing cancels out. That means you just count what you have left. We have negative 5, one too many. There we go. We have negative 5 and negative 6. That means negative 5 plus negative 6 is negative 11.